What's up guys, this is Romeo from WebOriginal.info. Today we're going to be talking about how to fix your USB flash drive. If it's corrupted, you try to format it and it doesn't work. As you can see here, I have my flash drive, it's an E drive, so we're just going to go right ahead and try to format it and see what happens. So click format, then we're going to click start, so it gives you a warning, click OK. Now it says unable to complete the format. So here the format doesn't work, so click OK. Now we're gonna close out the format menu and click close. So it's gonna go right ahead and start for CMD. Then the first command we're gonna type is disk part. So click yes. Then we're gonna list disk. Those are a list of all the disks that's on your computer. So we're gonna select the disk that applies to us. Mine is a 7 gig Kingston flash drive. So I have disk one. Next command we're gonna type is list volume. So it's the same 7 gig volume. So mine is volume 2. So we're gonna type select volume 2, abbreviate it and say so vol 2. Now we're gonna delete that volume because it's the one that's corrupted, successfully deleted. So we're gonna select disk 1. Now we're gonna create a new partition. So we're gonna say create par primary, which means partition primary. So it's successfully created. So now we're gonna format that partition that we just created. So we're gonna type format NTFS quick. That's a quick format. Now bingo. So everything is working fine now. As you can see here, this is open. Previously we were unable to open it. Yeah, so everything is working now. We're gonna try and rename it. So this I'm gonna name it. Let's call it fixed. We're gonna test it out and see if everything is working fine. So I'm gonna go to download and try to copy this original logo into it and see if everything is working okay. So yeah, everything is working fine. So thanks for watching guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. So go ahead, try it out. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you have any question, leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.